Somewhere in the Pacific Ocean, a whale has been singing since at least 1989. And for over 35 years, no one has ever identified it. Not because we stopped searching, but because every time we get close, it disappears. Scientists have tracked its signal for decades. They know the pattern, they know the route, they know the exact frequency. 52 hertz, a call no known whale matches. And despite satellites, hydrophones, submarines, and AI tracking, the source has never been found. The ocean is 361 million square kilometers, and something inside it is still calling. A mystery still unsolved. It begins in 1989. The Cold War is ending, and the US Navy is running a secret underwater microphone network across the Pacific. It's called SOSUS, the Sound Surveillance System. Its job was simple: track enemy submarines. But deep in the recordings, something else appears. Whale calls, thousands of them. Thousands. And then, something that doesn't match any known species. A single repeating signal. Marine biologist William Watkins at Woods Hole notices it first. He spends years studying it, and in 2004 publishes his findings. The signal keeps showing up in the Pacific. Same pattern, same source. So he names it by its frequency, 52 hertz. And the media gives it a name, the loneliest whale. Now here's why 52 hertz is so strange. Blue whales, the biggest animals on Earth, usually call between 10 and 40 hertz. Fin whales sit in a similar range. But this signal? 52 hertz. Outside the normal range. Higher than anything expected from these species. Which means one thing. If it's a known whale, it sounds completely off compared to the others. Even more interesting, it moves. The signal appears seasonally across the Pacific. That suggests a living animal, not noise or equipment failure. And it isn't random. It has structure, repeating patterns, like real whale communication. Watkins and researchers tracked it for over a decade. Always one source, never multiple. Just one signal moving through the ocean. After 1989, it kept appearing for years. And even later studies hinted the frequency may slowly shift over time, like a growing animal. But nothing was ever confirmed. So we are left with this: a structured signal, a moving source, and no identity. Still unconfirmed. Still unknown. So what is it? Scientists still don't agree. Theory 1, hybrid whale. Blue whales and fin whales can sometimes interbreed. A hybrid could have a different vocal system. Maybe that shifts the sound into unusual frequencies. 52 hertz could fit, in theory, but no confirmed hybrid has ever been linked to this signal. Theory 2, a deformed individual. It might just be one whale, a blue whale or fin whale with a difference in its vocal anatomy. A small biological change can shift sound dramatically. That would also explain why the signal always comes from one source. But here's the problem. We've never seen a confirmed case like this tied to 52 hertz. Theory 3, unknown population. This is the most extreme idea. Maybe it's not one famous whale at all. Maybe it's a rare or undocumented group of whales. The deep ocean is still largely unexplored. New species are still being discovered. But large whales without any sightings? That's extremely unlikely. And there's no direct evidence for it. So every theory explains part of it, but none explain everything. So where are we now? The signal is still not solved. Today, scientists continue listening across the Pacific using advanced hydrophone networks. And the 52 hertz signal still appears in recordings. Not constantly, but repeatedly over decades. Despite huge upgrades in technology, satellites, underwater drones, AI analysis systems, we still have no confirmed match. No visual identification, no direct encounter, just acoustic data in the water. Researchers can estimate where the signal travels, they can track patterns, they can map its movement, but they cannot connect it to a known whale. Some studies even suggest it might not always be a single source, but that idea is still debated. So, the lonely whale story might be more complicated than we thought, or it might still be one unknown animal. Either way, the answer is missing. And the more we look, the less certain it becomes. What stays with people isn't the science, it's the uncertainty. Something is moving through one of the largest places on Earth, calling out again and again for decades. But no one has ever confirmed what it is. We don't know if other whales hear it. We don't know if it gets a response. We don't even know if it is truly alone. And that's the uncomfortable part. The ocean is so vast that even today, we still miss things happening inside it. Maybe it's a known whale behaving differently. Maybe it's a rare population we haven't understood yet. Or maybe it's something we haven't discovered at all. Right now, there is no final answer. Only data, only recordings, only questions. And after decades of listening, the origin of the 52 hertz signal is still unknown. Somewhere in the Pacific Ocean, it is still calling.